going to the store. Where's my shoe? I haven't left the house all week. It's Friday. The last time I left was on Sunday. And I'm not even going to tell you guys how I feel right now. Like, my anxiety is getting out of control. Like, I feel like... What do you want? Marshmallow? No. This? You can't eat that. That's whip. You want a bagel? Alright, get her a bagel. Make her a bagel. My anxiety is getting out of control. Like right now, my heart is... I'm going grocery shopping right now. I have to leave the house. I have to leave the house. And... I don't want to. How can one person be so strong? And it just goes to show you that everybody has their flaws. For me, it's anxiety and being anxious and leaving my house. Say hello to my new friends. 1, 2, new, brand new. I worked out today. The first time working out in a couple months. I want to keep up the momentum because a lot of it has, I don't know, guys. Let's go to the store. I have my hair out right now. I have to put it back up because it's starting to shrink up and get little balls on the ends, which my hair does that when it tends to dry up or dry out. But I want to cry so bad. Like, why does life has to be so hard for one person? But let's go. Let's go. All right, come on, let's go. Audi is all there. So, this is how I pack my car. I usually pack it like this. Try to keep the meat separated from the crop. This top, so they don't get squishy. Oh, there's a TJ Maxx around here. I'm gonna go see if I can stop. Oh my gosh, I need lip gloss. I've been biting my lips, and I have 2 pimples. That makes me so insecure. I'm gonna go see if I can stop in at TJ Maxx and get some pillows for my bed. I need another Euro pillow. So, and then I have a $10 gift card, so I'm gonna go see if I can spend that. Yeah. Look at all these pretty plants. Like, I like this candle, I don't know why. But all the succulents, I love this. I love this. This is what, $12.99, not bad. I like that. Oh my gosh. Oh, I like that. All of these are pretty. Look at that. So pretty. But that's not why I'm here. Oh, is this already done? I like this. No, it's not. Oh, it's a hook. It's a hook. That's what it looks like. I like this. Alright. I came here for pillows. I'm looking for textured pillows for my bed. I need some. Oh, look at all that pretty stuff. Ooh, this is cute for Destiny's Room. This is why I don't come shopping, because I want to buy it all. This is cute. I love all of this. I like my bathroom. I like this. Oh, I like this. I love that. So pretty. TJ, you would be sleeping on TJ Maxx. Like, look at all the pretty rugs. $13. That's nice. I like that one, but I'm not paying $30 for it. But something caught my eye. I like this. But it's Spanish. I love this. Let's go see if they have any Ray done. This. That is so stinking cute. Containers. Here we are. This is where I get all my lunch containers from. In this bowl that you guys like to ask me about. They have a few of them. This is $8. And then what else? My Sistema containers. They don't have a lot of them here because I think it's not like really back to school yet, but usually when it's back to school they have a ton of these, and this is where I get them. So like they have this 3-pack right here, perfect for like sandwiches. And then this is the one you guys like, this one right here. And which other one? This the little snack one. These. I need to grab a pack. Because I feel like I need more. But they don't have a whole lot of containers here. They have glass over here for like adults. Let's keep looking. Ray Dunn has paper plates now. What? I'm so happy I'm done. Oh, look. That's so cute. I love that. But it doesn't have any dimples in it. There's no dimple. I have this one right here. To enjoy. But these don't have any dimples. I don't know why. The mugs do though. But oh look. They have that one that says be honest. Be humble. Yeah. I don't see anything that I would like want except this, but it doesn't have any. It's too smooth. It's cute.
I'm sorry.
I like this. It'd be funny if I walked out the store with this. And not what I came for. Oh, they have the oh, this is cute. But my laundry room is not on my list until. Look at my handsome. I'm back in the house. Rob is getting ready to be all trashy out here. And but the out back is hot. Like there's no shade in our backyard. Cause we don't have no trees, you know? So we go where the shade is. And if that makes us trashy, oh well. And I have the kiddos. Oh, I got this from Hobby Lobby. $6 because it was a part of the spring shop. Rob says, what is that? He knows what it is. And then nosy people over here, like, you buying the house or not?
That's the only chicken you got?
They're always nosy as heck. Are you gonna buy the house?
Which ones you bought for today?
Then we got this.
Which ones you bought for today?
You said leg quarters. You said you wanted leg quarters.
Yeah.
I got leg quarters. I spent $99 at Ollie's. That and I bought you two because I know you.
What's inside?
So I got this for 79 cents. It's for one of the girls. It was originally $8. So I got that for the girls and this for one of the boys. I don't know who, but yeah.
I lost her.
I wanted to go to Walmart, but it didn't happen. Sorry, my cars are back there and I don't want to catch license plate. Wanted to go to Walmart, but it was not going to happen today. My anxiety was acting up and I just decided to come home. So you guys can put this away. I'm not doing a grocery haul. I'm not, because I don't have everything. So just put it away. But I'm home in the house. I'm gonna show you guys the kitties. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm working on. I'm working on a lunch container haul, collection haul, and also a new company that I'm working with right here. And then this is another company that I'm working with. So look out for that video coming to a theater near you. Anyways, guys, Maddie's being potty trained. Hi! Is this your first day? Yeah, you're doing really well. Yeah. Oh, I'm so excited for you. Did you pee-pee? You want me to pick you up? Yeah? Okay. Good job, Maddie. Good job. You're doing so well.
They are.
Job. I cannot get Maddie to go number 2 in the potty. Like, if she goes number 2 in the potty, guys, we have a fully potty trained 2-year-old. But I can't get her to go number 2 in the toilet. So everything else she's doing amazing with, even when you put her to sleep, because today I wasn't here and she took a nap and she woke up dry. So that's really good. Last night she woke up dry. The night before she woke up wet. So I'm just trying to be consistent with her and, you know, be patient with her because she's still very young too. She doesn't turn 3 until November. So, which is, yeah, she's still very young too. So, I have to be patient with her. I have to be very patient with her. She's doing an amazing job. So I'm doing a good job, guys. So I'm gonna give it about another week. Let's see what happens. Cookie? There's no popsicle. Look what Destiny did. She's such a low creative genius. Except this is not a cookie container. Like, it's gonna go bad in no time.
That's fine, give her some.
Maddie wanted
Here you
this.
go, Maddie. Thank you. Are you gonna get her some?
I was gonna drink some. I can't open it.
Ask Daddy, please. Rob on the bear belly. Big belly. I'm gonna start doing pranks on Rob. If you guys want to see pranks on Rob, comment down below, because I'm done with him. I'm gonna start doing pranks on him. Oh, you guys are so sweet. She's thirsty. You gonna dance? You gonna dance? Go ahead, dance. Dance for mama. Ooh, get it, man. Oh, get it, girl. That's it? Nothing more? You ready to go inside? No? How is it, Rob?
That's pretty good.
Guys, all in favor of me pranking Rob, say hi. Okay? I'm gonna prank Rob. So, when you see them prank videos coming, don't be shocked, because, ooh, hot, caliente. Ooh. Rob makes the best jerk chicken. And he's Spanish. The man can cook. That's why I'm belly big, so. That's why I'm belly big, so. That's why I'm belly. No, Rob drinks too much beer.
They say I'm getting fat.
Who say you're getting fat?
You know what I said?
Baby, who say you're getting fat?
You know what I said?
Wait, what did you just say?
Because I'm eating good.
Who say you're getting fat? Tell me who.
Everybody. The haters.
You got a lot of hips and love handles coming.
Yeah, where's her back?
Oh, that Potty looks so. Where you at, Maddie? Rob can cook. Anybody you say fat, trust believe them can cook.
No.
No?
I don't know about everybody that used to eat fat. Juju, come here. Juju.
Got Maddie's dinner cut up for her. And I like to cut up her chicken for her. I just feel like she's gonna choke. You want ketchup? No? She got some rice and some beans. And this is the little one's dinner. Here, Mama. You want ketchup? You want ketchup? Yes? Okay, sit. Alright, sit down. Say your grace. Close your eyes and say your grace. Close your eyes and say your grace.
Can we catch up one?
Amen. Amen. I'm getting ready to go because Rob is hungry. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.